things that we have discussed last meeting, who can recall sa atong gi-discuss last meeting. It is the all about the system of our body that is responsible for digesting food. So what is it?
Digestive system.
Very good.
So now we're going to proceed with another system of our body. But before that, I want you all to stand up and let's have a breathing exercise. Okay. So, I want you all to inhale and exhale. Ready, begin. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So how do you feel about it?
Nothing.
Nothing. Imoja, how do you feel?
I feel refreshed.
Very good. This time, I want you to hold your breath in 3 seconds. Okay, let's inhale for 3 seconds. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Again. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, how do you feel, guys?
Happy. Relax.
Are now relaxed. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. You will now sit. So class, what is breathing? What is the long exercise?
Inhaling and exhaling.
Very good.
So why it is important for our body? Jamis, nga important ang pag-inhale and exhale sa ating body.
To give us energy, oxygen to live.
So what are the body parts that help you to breathe?
No.
Nose.
Nose. Ano pa again?
Lungs.
Esophagus.
Very good. So,
Tongue.
from the activity that we did a while ago, what do you think is our lesson for today?
So, respiratory
system. Very good. So our lesson for today is all about one of the most important system of our body that includes breathing, and that is the respiratory system. So before we proceed sa ating lesson proper, we will give you a short activity related to the human respiratory system. Okay. Ano ko, di ba?
We will just answer it in maybe 2 minutes or answer. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will just proceed it later, and we will see that your answer is correct. So, ito na set aside, and we will just go to our discussion this morning. So what is respiratory system? So, the respiratory system involves in the intake and exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the organisms and the environment. In simple terms, respiratory system is the one who helps you breathe.
So, let's proceed with different parts of the respiratory system. So, I know that you have sa inyong mind kung ano ba ang mga parts sa respiratory system.
So, the first one is the nose or the mouth. So, this organ through which the air enters and filter. So, diha na to ginapa-enter ang air sa ato nga nose. This is the picture, okay class? Look at the picture. The nasal passage serves as the channel for airflows through the nose, which enters the air and warm, clean, and moisten. In simple terms, these two help each other to bring in the air from around our body. So, kaning duha ka organs, amo ni siya ang nag-help para mag-enter ang air sa ato nga body.
Next is the pharynx. So, pharynx is the hollow tube inside the behind the nose and ends at the top of the trachea, or the wide pipe, and esophagus, or the tube that goes to the stomach. So, dili natin makita natin no, sa aton halili sa may aton nga dalumsang nose pakadto sa aton nga diri ho. So, amo ni siya ang picture sa pharynx.
The next one is the larynx. It is the hollow tube that connects your throat or to the pharynx to the rest of your respiratory system. So connected na ni silang duha katong larynx kag ang pharynx. Ang function ani niya guys, amo ni siya ang passage where kanin the air and the fluid and the food mag-enters sa imong nga body.
Okay, next is ang trachea, or also called as the wide pipe. It is a hollow tube that serves as a passageway of air into the lungs. So, diyan na makita ang ating nga trachea. Muna siya ang nag-serve nga passageway sa air pakadto sa ating nga lungs.
The next one is the bronchioles or the bronchi. The bronchi also called bronchial tubes, two branching tubes that connects to the trachea to the lungs. Bronchioles, very small branches of the bronchi. Ano na siya?
So, kung nakita dito sa example dire sa aming model, so this is what we call ang bronchi. Ang duha ka tube nga naga-serves as a branch sa aton nga lungs. So, and ang mga very small branches of the bronchi, ang hindi siya ang dire sa ating nga lungs, but you cannot see sa dire nga example. But sa dire example, makita niyo siya nga may gagmay siya nga to mga ba sa kaamoy, ang na siya nga tawag nga bronchi. So next is the alveoli, or it is a group of dozens of tiny air sacs at the end of the bronchioles. Ang muli siya ho. Mga grapes balahaw, pero hindi na siya grapes sa
Sa tamaban. And then, the next one is the lungs. So the lungs, it is the process of gas exchange called respiration or the breathing. Amo na siya ang responsible sa ato ang breathing. So, look at here the model of our lungs. So if nagpasulod ta og air sa ato ang lungs, amo ni siya ang mahitabo guys.
Nantawag mo guys.
Class, amo ni siya ang mahitabo. If we inhale, amo ni siya ang natabo sa ato ang lungs.
Wow!
So di ba? Ato ang lungs nag-expand siya if
Inhale,
mag-exhale.
do parang na siya sa balon nga, di pa bukon mo, and then makupuson mo siya. Next is our diaphragm. It's a large dome-shaped muscle that contracts rhythmically and continually, and most of the time involuntarily. So if we inhale and exhale, ang ating nga diaphragm nagapasaka na siya, nagapadalo. And amo siya ang tsura sa ating nga diaphragm. Gets lang?
Yes,
Balo lang sa
ma'am.
mga function sa ating lungs. Ay, lungs na respiratory system. So, first gani, ano ito gani? Nose
and mouth.
And pharynx. Pharynx.
The larynx.
Larynx.
Trachea.
Alveoli.
Alveoli.
Lungs. And diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Very good. So,
there are also disorders and diseases of the human respiratory system. So, if hindi natin paghaluan ang ating respiratory system, especially our lungs, we can have some sakit nga like asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. So, dapat haluan tagid ang ating respiratory system because dako na siya nga bulig sa ating body kung makikita maghalong sa ating lawas.
okay. To recap all the things that we've discussed, The gas inhale is, what do you call that one?
Oxygen.
Very good. So, what about the gas that we exhale?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, good. So, where does gas exchange happen?
In the lung.
Respiratory system.
It happens in
The
the alveoli.
alveoli.
So, why do we need to provide the body with oxygen?
To break down and release energy in food.
Very good. So, how the respiratory system remove carbon dioxide from the body? How do? So, during the breathing process, carbon dioxide forms the gaseous waste product. So, ang na siya mga katabo class. And then,
So for the application of our lesson this afternoon, group yourselves into two.
yes,
2 or 3. Okay na?
2 groups lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Groups. So all you need to do is to explain the importance of our body. Magpili ka mo sa isa ka part sa respiratory system and explain nila kung inyong importance sa inyong lawas. Isa lang.
Just 2 minutes na.
Okay, ma'am.
One lang. Nga part sa respiratory system, kag ano importance sa atong body.
Okay? Any representatives within the group?
Ma'am.
Okay. That came in front.
I have learned that sa lungs lang ko mama. So I learned that the lungs is important because it is where gas exchange happen, and gas exchange is important because if our body does not exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, then we will suffocate and we cannot breathe because we don't have oxygen in our blood. So that is the purpose of lungs.
Okay, very good.
So, palakpak. Okay. So, please, hindi na mag-paper and pencil, but game. Ang mechanism sa game is makanta ka. And kung sino ang matupaan ng sine, kung mag-stop ang kanta,
There are questions.
sa sunod sila may some question and answeran nyo. Okay lang?
Parang mabala na to if naka-learn din mo sa atong lesson this morning. Okay?
Ano ang kanta?
We will sing Every Little Cell. Every little cell in my body is happy. Sing. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well.
Stop!
Yes, get one question.
Basahan. Sino?
Use that.
The two branches of the trachea that connect each lung.
What?
A. Alveoli, B. Bronchi, C. Lungs. The answer, ma'am, is B. Bronchi.
Very good. I will record your class ha, sa inyong
Sige, Luan.
performance.
Every single cell in my body is happy. Every single cell in my body is well.
Stop!
The trachea filters dust. Is it true or is it true?
Very good.
Okay. Every single cell in my body is happy.
We exhale oxygen-rich air from the lungs. False. We exhale oxygen in our nose.
Okay.
Very good. Okay?
Every Stop.
Okay, so the question is, what is the main organ of the respiratory system? A. Nose. B. Alveoli. C. Lungs. Letter C.
Very
Lungs.
good.
Very good. Okay, thank you guys. You have already graded your activity. So for your assignment, we will just send the code in our GC. You will give the effects and disorders kung unsa if hindi na tulungan nato ang respiratory system. You can list at least 5 to 10 disorders. Okay? Thank you for your cooperation class. And
Let's all stand and I'm requesting Ninja to pray for us.
Let's pray. Dear Jesus, we thank you for this wonderful afternoon that you have given us. And as we and our classmates, the learnings that we have learned will remain in our minds. Thank you for everything. This is we pray.
Amen.